Right, it's the main man. Demon Reverb. Envy Jam. Bolts doubles, best of one. What you saying? Playing it. Me with a little graffiti on my gun, Old tight. Envy Jam, the pink gun, because he's little pussy or fucking these little bomber clats. DSR thermal, smoke throw it knife, Daniel, holding tight. Envy Jam in, picks up 1 kill, absolute bangers on him. Reaver picking up 2nd kill, Daniel, holding tight. All tight. All tight, all my brothers inside. Think about you every day. Sorry about that, guys. I had to clear my throat. Got a bit of hay fever going on today. But still using their little DSR jam shot. It's a flying cat! Still using their little thermals. He threw a smoke. What you saying? Can't bother to record anymore. What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? There's a cat. It's a cat. There's a cat in my Call of Duty.